Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana project not loading on browser. Many users open a project and see a blank page or spinner, and this usually happens due to browser cache, network issues, or extensions. First, refresh the page. Press Ctrl plus R and wait for the project to load. Small glitches often fix this way. Step 1, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can prevent projects from loading. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache may block project data. Go to browser settings, greater than privacy and security, and clear cache for Asana. Step 3, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere with project loading. Turn them off temporarily and reload the page. Step 4, try incognito or private mode. This opens Asana without extensions or cached data. If the project loads here, cache or extensions were the issue. Step 5, update your browser. Outdated browsers may cause compatibility issues. Use the latest Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 6, log out and log back into Asana. This refreshes your session and often fixes loading errors. Make sure you log in on all devices if needed. Finally, contact Asana support if the project still doesn't load. Provide workspace, browser version, and steps tried. Support can check account or server-side problems. So yeah, fixing Asana project not loading on browser is about refreshing the page, checking internet, clearing cache, disabling extensions, using incognito, updating browser, logging out and in, and contacting support. Follow these steps and projects should load normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.